Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I would like to show you where you can enter vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Sounds and Vibration, and over here click on Sound. Then tap on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on Vibrate and mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibration Pattern and pick one of the patterns for your vibrations by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can do the same for your notifications by clicking on Notification Vibration Pattern. Then choose Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Go back, click on System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to turn off or on vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!